Hey you, and welcome back to Beauty Over 40. Guys, I want to apologize. My mic has been giving me problems, but we are just going to roll with the flow. It's collaboration time. Myself and my girls came up with the theme. Actually, Michelle came up with the theme, Age Graceful. Thank you, girl. So this month we're collaborating on just creating a simple look. You can just go out and run your errands. So definitely make sure you check out all the girls. I have their information down below. If you'd like to see my look, then stay tuned.
Down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, so we're going to start with our micro essence. We're currently using this as our toner right now, and I'm putting that on my reusable polyester round that I love so much. I do have these available on my website. Definitely make sure you guys check that out. You can wash them, you can use them to remove makeup. They are really great. And now I'm going in, of course, with my serum. I love my serums. My serums help keep my skin balanced, hydrated, and it helps with a lot of things. It helps shrink your pores and all of that. I'm just trying to use this up so I can get back to my Estee Lauder serum that I also love. So after the serum, I'm going to go in with my Revitalizing Supreme moisturizer. Again, you know, when you're wearing makeup, you also want to make sure that your skincare is top notch. And as you can see here, I'm going in with my lash applicator. I use the back of that as a spatula to make sure my skincare is not going to get contaminated. So I just make sure I keep that clean every time I dip into a new product. So we're just rubbing our moisturizer in our face. Just rubbing that in. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some eye cream, and this is the Resilience Multi-Effect, and as you can see, it does have like a little radiance to it, and that's just going to help brighten your eyes. Okay, so we're rubbing that in. You can see there, I'm talking about the radiance there. Okay, so we're just going to continue to rub that in all around the eye to make sure our eyes are hydrated as well. All right, and for primer, we are going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And again, I'm using my spatula for the back of my lash applicator for that. And we're just going to blend that in all over. All right, and so for foundation today, we are using our Uma Beauty foundation. This is a beautiful foundation. I don't know if you guys have tried this. If you have, let me know what you think about it. Gets really good coverage. I love that foundation. It's actually my summer color, but I love it. And here you see I'm color correcting. Color correcting is so important, especially guys. If you're putting on foundation, you see that grayish color through your foundation, you definitely want to color correct. And most of the times for people that have melanin in their skin, that's usually always going to be around the mouth or underneath the eyes. I don't do it underneath the eyes just because the concealer I use is full coverage. Okay, so we're just continuing to blend that in. Alrighty, so after my foundation, I'm going in with my concealer. Favorite concealer of all time is the Lancôme Camo Concealer. It gives me the coverage I need. And also, it's a little hydrating. You can see it's really creamy here. And it's just so good for me. All right, so we're moving on to the brow. And as you can see here, I was just explaining how I like to start my brow. And I like to even that up with the pupil of my eye as a starting point. Okay, we're just going to outline that and then fill it in. Once I get that filled in, I like to pull that product towards the front of my face, well, the middle of my face, as you can see, and just get that blended in really good with the front of my brow. Going in with my Too Faced concealer to clean my brow up. I love this concealer for cleaning up my brow. And this concealer came in a BoxyCharm. Speaking of BoxyCharm, I have like 5 months build up, guys. It's crazy. I've just been so busy. I have 5 months of BoxyCharm that I need to open. All right, and so now we're just blending our highlighter in with my beauty sponge that I also love. Okay, and now I'm going in with my just a drugstore foundation, the darkest color of Viori. I like to use that for bronzer, for contour. Here I'm just using my blush brush to blend that in. Okay, we're just blending that in on both sides and making sure we overlap that with where our highlighter stopped. Where our highlighter stopped. Alrighty. And I'm going to set that with my favorite loose powder. That is the RCMA No Color Powder. This powder works for every skin tone. I absolutely love it. I keep it for myself. And I also keep it at my office for my clients. And guys, I'm obsessed with highlighter, so regardless of what I'm doing, I always put highlighter on. And I'm just using this Tarte palette that came in a BoxyCharm. You can see there I hit pan in that color. And then we're diving into our Naked palette. No eyeshadow, guys. Well, it is eyeshadow, but just very close to the skin color. There's my mascara by City Beauty. And that is my look, guys. That is my look. I left my little poof ball. Again, we're just running errands, so I'm keeping my hair up. For my lip, I'm using Dream Cosmetics Crushing, my absolute favorite nude lip color. Absolutely love that. I need to re-up on some of those. I threw on my mini hook gauges and my rings that I love so much. A t-shirt and a sweater, which I call my Bill Cosby sweater. Anywho, so that is my look, guys. Thank you guys so much. Anyway, guys, that is it for my video. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, make sure you check out the girls. If you're not following me on TikTok, give your girl a follow on TikTok and Instagram at LRHMAKEUP. And also TikTok _beauty over 40. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you will be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys. So that is it. Until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.